Hey everyone, Anisha here. I hope you're all having a great day. I spent the morning studying, and now that we're still in our intersession in the Special Masters in Physiology program, I should get my life organized. So what I'm going to do today is kind of take some time to enjoy the day, go walk around. I'm going to go grocery shopping and do some meal prep. My absolute favorite way to commute is on bike. So it's actually really helpful to have a basket when you're gonna go grocery shopping, because that way I can stick my bags in there. Hey everyone, thanks for prepping with me and taking the time to see what I do on my day off, which is get ready for all the busier days ahead. Have a good week, guys.